Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can set countdown on your Instagram story for the same day. So it's pretty simple. You want to click on your story at the top left of your screen and then you want to create a story. Once you create a story, you want to click on the person with the smiley icon at the top of your screen. And from over here on search, you want to search for countdown. Once you search for countdown, it's going to show you countdown. Click on it. Once you click on it, first you need to give it countdown name. So I'm going to give it date. Now you need to click on set end date and time. Once you click on it, at the bottom you can see all day. Make sure to turn off all day. Once you turn off all day, now you can set time for the single day. Like let's say I want this timer to end in 1 hour. What I can do is switch it to 10, and as you guys can see, in 59 minutes and 30 seconds this timer will end. So if I want that, I can click on done at the top right and the counter will be set. Now I can click on the arrow at the bottom right of my screen and click on share, click on done. The countdown will be added for the same day. So that is basically how you guys can set countdown on Instagram story for the same day. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.